Today's Fundation lesson is going to need for you to get out your Fundations mat of magnet tiles. So go ahead and get your letter tiles out. Pause this video while you're getting them out. Fantastic. You should have those letters out now. And so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to tap out a word. So get your tapping fingers out. And we're going to tap out a word, doze. Ready? D-O-Z. Doze. Let's try it again one more time. Get your fingers out. Should be up in the air. If I'm standing behind you in the computer lab, we're going to tap out doze. Ready? D-O-Z. Doze. Let's go ahead and grab the letter tiles and make that word. D-O-Z. And we're missing a letter. Hopefully you've already added that letter to the end. What letter are we missing? Think to yourself, what letter that I could add to the end of this word to make this O say O instead of ah? If you had an E, you had it right. Awesome. So taking a look at that word, this is how you would mark it. You don't need to mark it with a dry erase marker. You just need to watch. So what do we have here? We have a vowel O, consonant E. We have a long vowel. And the E, we can cross, it would normally be crossed out right across. You don't hear that sound, so it would be O's, E's crossed out. If you were marking that with a pencil, cross that out with a little slash through it. A couple questions I want you to think about, and then I'm going to ask you about this word doze. First question. How many sounds are in the word doze? How many sounds? Let's put that on your hand. Raise your hand up in the air in the computer lab and put that on your hand up in the air. Of how many sounds does doze have? Let's figure it out. Put that on your fingers up in the air. Well, let's see. Tap the sounds. Ready? D-O-Z. Okay, I'm going to put 3 fingers up in the air. I'll be checking that as you come along. You don't need to stop the video. You're getting D-O-Z. 3 sounds. Okay. Now, what's the job of this E at the end of the word? Think about that. What does that E do? The E is making that long vowel, O, say its name. Turns that short vowel, that O, into a long vowel. For doze. For doze. Great. Let's go ahead and put that D back, Z back, and leave that O-E here. So we're talking about that vowel consonant E. We'll just do a little bit of a review here. Vowel consonant E. And we'll do a couple letters in here. If I have vowel consonant E in a word, let's put a K in there. Go ahead and put a K in. So I have O-K-E. Let's tap it. Because this O and the E together make that O say O. So O-K. Let's tap it. O-K. 2 sounds. 3 letters. Swap that K out. Go ahead and grab a T. Oat. Oat. So that O and the E make that O say O when you see it at the end of a word. Put that T back. Now let's swap out some vowels. Let's swap out the O for a U. Now we talked about yesterday, the U makes 2 sounds. 2 sounds, like in U-T-E, cute. You can go ahead and get those tiles out. K-U-T, cute. If I didn't have the U at the end, I'd have K-U-T, cut. Put a U an E at the end, and now I've got my vowel consonant E. K-U-T, 3 sounds, 4 letters. That's one of the 2 sounds that you can make when you have a long U. There's another sound. You can put that C back. Put that T back. There's another sound that U makes in a long vowel word. Go ahead and grab a T and a B. T, oob, tube. Now, cute had the k, ute had a U sound. This has the t, ooh, 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 ooh. Tube. Now watch what happens if I cover up the E. Try it with your hand. Cover it up. What word do I have? You can go ahead and say it out loud in the computer lab, because I can hear some of you actually participating in this lesson. I have the word tub. Tub. Right. Here I have tube. There I have tub. So, vowel, consonant, E. Make sure you understand that that U can make two sounds. All right, let's get those letter tiles back. Let's get rid of the U. Let's grab the A. Same as when we did the O for doze and the U for cute and tube. A consonant E. So for example, if we had an A-K-E, that A now says A. Why? Because it's got the E at the end. That little sneaky E. Silent E that makes that vowel long. Like cake. Gosh, who doesn't like cake? Think about cake for a second. Chocolate cake. Strawberry cake. Red velvet cake. Ooh. Cake. Alright, go ahead. If you want to pause the video for a second, put those letter tiles back. It gives you a minute to knock that out. The C, the K. Clear those off. And the last part of this lesson I wanted to talk about was when to use CK and when to use K. So, get your fingers out, up in the air, hold them up in the air in the computer lab, and I know where you're at in the lesson. We're going to tap out the word lick. Ready? Ooh, lick. Let's tap it out one more time. Hand up in the air, like waving around like you just don't care. Ooh, lick. Grab your letter tiles, spell the word lick. Ooh, you can pause it, or you can put them on there. Ooh, lick. Now your brain should be thinking about, well, let's see, I hear an ooh for L. I hear and I hear a k, k, k. Now, if you have a C, or if you have a K, you have a problem. Why do you have a problem? You need a CK. Now think to yourself, why do you need a CK at the end of that word? Let me tell you why. Two reasons. It has a short vowel. If it has a short vowel, the CK goes at the end. Also, it's not only because it's a short vowel, it's because it's one syllable. Let's clap out the syllables. Ready for lick? Lick. One clap. One syllable. Short vowel. CK. Let's go over it again. One syllable. Lick. Short vowel. CK goes at the end. Now, let's swap out that CK digraph. And then let's take a look at this word and let's make it like. Let's tap it out with our fingers. Get them up in the air above your head. Let's tap out like. Ready? Ooh, like. Great. One more time. Above your head. Ooh, like. Great. Let's go ahead and grab letter tiles and spell that word. Ooh, you can pause it, fill it out. All right, here we go. Let's look. Ooh, sneaky at the end. Take a look at it. Does that look right? Does that look right for like? Think about when you read all those books. Is that how you spell like or bike? Is that right? Hopefully your brain's saying, no, absolutely not. You're a disaster, Mr. Luganville. Well, CK does not go there. Why? Because CK goes with short vowels. Is this a short vowel? Ooh, ick. No, it's a long vowel. Vowel consonant E. Ooh. Gotta swap this out, friends. Gotta have a K. K is most likely going to be the letter that you use after a long vowel sound. So if you have a long vowel, you're going to use a K. You're not going to use a C by itself. You're not going to use a CK by itself. You're not going to put L-I-C-E. You're going to put L-I-K-E. So remember, long vowel, long I. Now there'll be some exceptions to this long vowel rule with the sneaky at the end. It's okay. Alright, go ahead and put those letters back. Next thing I need you to do is get out your handy dandy piece of paper with your pencil. We're going to do some dictated sounds. Excuse me. Alright, here we go. Number one, after you put your name on it, if you have to pause the video for a minute at any point during this video, please do it. I'm going to go pretty quickly. So number one, right here, number two, number three, number four, number five, number six, number seven, number 8, number 9, number 10. Name at the top. When you get done, bring it to me. Number one, hope. Hope. I hope you remember which words have a sneaky E at the end to make that vowel long. Hope. Hope. You should be tapping it out. If I'm looking in the computer lab and you're doing the word hope for number one, I would expect you to be tapping it out. Now, if I should either be yesterday, I saw Cade doing a great job of tapping out with his hands. You should be doing that at your seat currently right now when you're at this point in the video. If I see you at this point in the 12-minute mark tapping out hope, I have hope that you're going to get these right with your fingers. Hope. Hope. Number two, shave. Mr. Luganville, shave. I will shave my beard. Over the weekend I did. I shaved it. So I just want the word shave. Ready? Let's tap it out. Get your fingers out. Shave. Shave. Might want to pause the video after each word. You have hope for number one. 2 is shave. Number 3, I would tap it out. I would show me with your hands tapping it out in the air. Home. I'm sure some of you are ready to go home today from school. Home. Tap it out. As you noticed from yesterday, Mrs. Martin's had a vowel consonant E and a closed syllable. Closed word. This is neither. You're just dictating these sounds. Number 4, tune. Tune. Let's tap it with your fingers. Tune. Tune. That's number 4. I'm going to go quick now to pause the video if you need some time. Number 5, rope. Ope. Rope. Pause it, write it. Starting the video again. Number 6, stone. Stone. I see a stone on the ground outside. Stone. Tap it. Stone. Stone. Has a nice blend in that word. Pause it. Write it. Stone. Next one. Think about the syllables. Think about the short vowel and long vowel. Next word is thick. Thick. That is a thick winter coat. Thick. Tap it with your fingers in the air. Thick. That's number 7. Here's number 8. Pause it if you don't have thick done. Number 8 is desks. Suffix on that word. Look at the ending. Determine if it's an ES or an S at the end. Desks. There are many desks in Mr. Luganville's class. Number 9. Pause the video if you don't have desks done. Post. P-O-st. Glued sound. P-O-st. P-O-st. And last but not least, cake. I like to eat cake on my birthday. Cake on my birthday. Tap it out with your fingers. Cake. And lo and behold, I get it done in under 15 minutes. If you have to pause the video to tap those out, great. Gotta review it. Go back. Come see me with your 10 words and call it a day. Thank you.